I did another video. Yes! Okay, so today's video is about the mermaid eye. Because I woke up this morning and we just opened up our pool and I literally feel like a mermaid. So I'm feeling super positive today. Had to come out with another video. So check it out. Let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my little video and you learned how to do the mermaid eye. I started doing my edits on my videos with the Final Cut Pro, which is so exciting. It's a real upgrade from the iMovie that I was using before, which is pretty much like basic of it. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys have any ideas on videos that you'd like to see from me, just write them down in the comments below. Give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and have a wonderful day, guys. Live your life to the fullest. Life is short. Do what you love to do, and I really hope that today you're doing something that you love. Bye.